in your non-athlete, like regular clients, what is the biggest problem that you see, and why do you think it's so prominent?
Biggest problem that I would see in a non-athlete is lack of commitment to their health. And it's just a general lack of commitment. It's nutrition, it's exercise, and it's because they don't have the time. I mean, people are stressed out, they're working super hard, their bodies are breaking down, they're not getting the quality of sleep they need, and when they come to me, whether it's a knee problem, shoulder problem, a back problem, headaches, you name it, their diet's not on point, their exercise is not on point, and they are crunched with time to be able to do the things they need to do for them to be as healthy as they can be. So the key is to recognize, or teach them to recognize, that they have plenty of time, even if they work. Like I said, I work 16-hour days sometimes. There's plenty of time. If your diet's on point, and your sleep's on point, and your energy's on point, there's plenty of time to exercise, stretch, meditate, do your job, spend time with your family, eat healthy. There's plenty of time for everything. So I think a lot of times my regular patient doesn't recognize how much time they have, and they have trouble coordinating all the things they need to do for them to be as healthy as they want to be.